Welcome to my channel. In last section of the video, we were discussing about this the align attribute, how it was useful for the changing the content. So when I align the attribute, I can use it inside of the h1 starting tag. So then what will happen? Let's check after save. So it is the browser also. Let's go. So here previously, before utilize this one, so normally in left side of the margin left margin side is there. So when I was using align attribute, the value is center. So then automatically after save you can refresh. So what will happen? So this tag content came at the center. Okay, so that is utilizing for this alignment attributes. So here the some new tag is there, the marquee tag. How it is useful for a marquee tag, I will show you. So this marquee tag, something you can scroll. Do you want to scroll for any notification on your website? So that contains scroll on this your website. So how was it marquee working? So I will give the code in the header section. Okay, after the header section, the marquee, so spelling MURQ marquee. So in this marquee tag, I write the scrolling, the scroll right. The scroll right content will scroll right side. So after the using the direction direction, so direction to right, spellings is corrected. So we should identify the spellings also. So any spelling mistake is there, our code does not execute. So you automatically confused at the time. So first everything you must need to observe in this the software side. So let's go for the width. How much width we can scroll? The width is the 50%. You can scroll 50%. So at the actual size and the font face effect, color, we should add all things here. The font face equal to the value is the impact. Impact is better than all things. So the
music licensing reimagined.
Here the mistake, the quotations here I had mistakes so many times like this way. So don't do that. First of all, this here we can give the size also. So the more pixel, like that way. Pixel, you can give pixel, and also the color, text color is the, you can give yellow, and so this is the main we can utilize
music licensing reimagined.
observe what I had mistake on this. These all things I can write inside of the font tag. Instead of font tag taken inside of the marquee tag.
Artlist.io.
So that was I had mistake here. You can take font tag. Instead of the font tag, you can apply these all things.
Artlist.io.
Face is the impact and size is the 44 pixels, and the color is the yellow, and here the marquee tag. Now it will work. So
Music licensing
scroll, which is the
reimagined.
scroll we want to scroll. The text will kept inside the font. So see, is it working or not? Let's once check after refreshing this browser. So here text will come, but why should not working here? Marquee tag, because of something happened.
Artlist.io.
Where was the problem? This one. So the direction will scroll right up at 50%. Okay, I will keep
Music
this
licensing
one also.
reimagined.
First letters now also not working. Marquee tag, font tag. So inside of this font tag and direction, what will happen? Oh, what I had mistake, I didn't
Artlist.io.
understand here. So okay, marquee tag the face. The font face is the impact. It will be any mistake is happen.
Music licensing reimagined.
So you should remove this font tag first. You can inside this tag. What will no? That is a code mistake. Is the direction is the right. Direction is right. The scroll right to
Artlist.io.
left, and the marquee is the 50%. So I will ask what I had mistake. So if you want to any mistakes
Artlist.io.
came, you can ask the chat GPT. It will provide the so here you can ask chat GPT. It will provide the how
Music
was
licensing
how to
reimagined.
ask the chat GPT. Here in my code had some mistake resolve that issue. Like this way you can ask, it will provide.
Artlist.io.
So the mark is right, width is the font is. So these all things will be correct. Why should not same code will so kept? So we can try here again. Direction right with 50%,
Music
font face
licensing
is impact size
reimagined.
4 pixel. So why does not working? Oh, right now working. What a mistake. Previously was same direction with 50% kept face impact size 4 pixel color yellow same we had done. Oh, I here previously
Artlist.io.
spelling mistake. Mark you, I was previously in marketer spelling is only used only E, but here spelling is the double E. That is the mistake. So our code is correct, but only mistake came in this mark
Music
you mode. Okay,
licensing
so like that
reimagined.
way you can don't make mistakes, spelling mistakes. Okay, like me. So you can observe first of all the life that type of things. So I want to go explanation of the so tables. Maybe I thought table tags under which tag. So I will explain the
Artlist.io.
ta- table tag before I will explain some new tags. That is the link tags. So we are used in header section only. That link tags. So in
Artlist.io.
link tags and also anchor tag. So this link tag and
Music
so
licensing
this is
reimagined.
the single tag. This one also single tag. Link tag is also single tag, and the image tag also single tag. Image tag not used here. Okay, you can use not here also. You can use the source image. You can use there.
Artlist.io.
So this type of the tags you can utilize. And here, suppose I want to go for so I am getting from some data so from the new file, so that file link that file name, this
Music
file name is keep
licensing
here. So then
reimagined.
the inside, which is the inside of this file data is there, that file data all important here. So that is utilized for the using the through this link tag in this header section. So that is the main bit for this different classes of the styles in this exporting the styles, that concept is one is
Artlist.io.
there. So I will explain in cascading style sheets when we will discuss it. Then there at the time we will I will tell you. So first of all, so I want to go explain the first of all fast quickly. So these two tags I can utilize also
Music
inside of the body
licensing
tags.
reimagined.
Okay, so inside of the body tag, uh, so I want to take the any images. So here I am entering. So I want so this image tag address link the copy I am pasting here.
Artlist.io.
Okay. So what will happen? Let's check. Where is our browser? This is our browser. So image. So that image, this image will come here in our browser.
Artlist.io.
So that is the main thing utilizing for a image tag. Okay, that is the single tag and a link tag. How was it with link tag? So we can useful for us. Which purpose?
Music licensing
Suppose
reimagined.
I'm already I told you. So I will explain after further. So I will explain the anchor tag. Anchor tag, suppose anchor tag A, and inside of the anchor tag is some href for hyper. The here hypertext reference, the hyper reference text which is there through this like a
Artlist.io.
path of the